Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if 2 plus sin x dy by dx plus y plus 1 cos x equals to 0. So, we have given this differential equation, correct? So, we have to solve this thing. So, how we will approach? First, look at this. So, we will try to apply first filter, that is variable separable method. Means if we can segregate all x together and all y together, we can apply variable separable thing. Okay, or else we have to think about some other filters. So look at the idea. So what I will do, I have problem over here because here x thing and y thing are together. Here we have x thing, so we don't have problem with this part. So we will send this thing to right hand side. So we got 2 plus sin x dy by dx equals minus of y plus 1 cos x. If you will observe, I can segregate x and y. So what I will do, dy by 1 plus y equals minus of cos x by 2 plus sin x dx. Look at here. We have segregated y thing on one side, x thing on the other side. Now what we will do? We will integrate both side. We will integrate this thing with respect to y. We will integrate this thing with respect to x. Now, so if you will take this thing as z, you will get dz equals to dy. So you got integration of dy by 1 plus y as log 1 plus y. Similarly, if you'll observe here, you will be taking this thing as z, you will be having cos x dx as dz. Okay, now, so what I will be doing, it is log 2 plus sin x plus integration constant c. So our differentiation is done. Okay, now they have provided you this situation. They have given you this to calculate the arbitrary constant c. So your curve is passing through, this is x, this is y. So curve will pass through 0 comma 1. So it will satisfy 0 comma 1. So let's satisfy. So in place of x, put 0, in place of y put 1. So we will be having log 2 is equal to minus log 2, as sine 0 is 0, so plus c. So we got 2 times log 2 as c. So we got integration constant as 2 log 2. Is that clear? Okay, now let's update the curve. So we got our curve as log 1 plus y plus log 2 plus sin x is equal to, can I write this thing as can I send this 2 to the argument, so it will become log 4. So we got log 4. So if you'll observe, everything is having same base e. So look at this, it is log m plus log n. So we can write it as log mn. So we have log 1 plus y and 2 plus sin x is equal to log 4. Now can I remove log from both sides? So we will be left with 1 plus y 2 plus sin x is equal to 4. So this is our required curve. I hope the idea is clear. Now Now we have to calculate this. So in place of x, we have to write pi by 2 and we have to find out the value of y. So look at here. So 1 plus y. So in place of x, you have to write pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 means what? Sin 90 is 1. So it will become 2 plus 1, 3. So it is 4. So can I write 1 plus y is equal to 4 by 3. So 1 that side. So 4 by 3 minus 1 will become 1 by 3. Therefore, the value of y pi by 2 is 1 by 3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.